guys, it's me again with another unboxing and review video, and today in this video I got this mechanical keyboard. It's Koolertron mechanical keyboard Z-77 version. You can get it on Amazon for £37. So this is short body design keyboard, and I guess that's it. Let's start unboxing it. Alright, let's see what we got inside. By the way, on the box it says like it's with a green switches, and which is kinda strange because this is like one of the rarest types of switches. Basically these switches are very similar to blue switches, yeah, just a little bit stiffer than a blue switches. Mousepad, that's cool, I kinda needed one, which is really great. And we got the keyboard itself. This is the white version. It looks pretty cool. Yeah, it's very nice looking version. And again guys, if you don't know the difference between mechanical and a regular keyboard, it's like in a mechanical keyboard actually you got these physical switches underneath the keys, and in a regular one you got this rubber dome underneath the keys, so the mechanical keyboard is better. Alright, that's all we got. So this is the keyboard. It looks very nice. It looks really nice, and it only cost £36. So this version, I really like this version. This white version looks very nice. I got this tool to remove the keys. So let's check what the keys, what actually keys are. So it's not a green, switches are not green, these are blue switches. As you can see, these are blue switches, and they are very common in the budget gaming keyboards. So it's not a surprise. So we got this mouse pad, looks pretty awesome. Alright, let's take a look how this keyboard looks powered on. Each key got its own individual LED lights, so there should be lots of different options to choose from. Where is the controller? This one is my favorite one. Right, you can hear that this is mechanical keyboard only by typing, because the typing is pretty loud, so as you can hear, but I really like this option, it looks awesome. Nothing special. Gaming mode. So yeah, there are some great options to choose from. Can control intensity of light. So yeah, this is it. This is a really nice looking keyboard, and it only costs £36. Alright guys, that's all. This is a really nice looking keyboard, and look at it. Doesn't it look cool? It looks awesome, man. I really like this option. So yeah, this is a really nice looking mechanical keyboard. It's very compact, and because it's a short body design. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you on the next video. Goodbye guys.